So this week has been all red, and I've been down all week. It's good to see some recovery, and that's exactly what we got today. Jobs data came out good. The market liked it. Let's get into the details of how I traded today. All right, so we can see here my net liquidation is $17,036.89. I'm up $731. Good to see. Tesla was down $164. It was bouncing up and down. We'll get into details on that and look at the chart. I closed my wheat position, collected about 60 bucks. I opened up some more T-Flow shares. I'm going into details on that. My copper position, I'm up good on that, $350. Total on the position is $525. So I only have about $1,000 more to make up in that position. And I think we'll do it as long as the implied volatility goes down. So we'll look at that. And then the E-mini S&P 500, we'll take a look at the market overall, but a very good recovery. We'll get into the details on that as well. All right, starting off, my first trade for the day was my 30-20-10 strategy, my usual 30 days expiration, 20 delta, put spread that's $10 wide. I collected $75 there. I decided to close my wheat position. I needed the capital, decided to go ahead and close it early, and the price was going up. My P&L was going down on it, so I decided to go ahead and close the position. I got 60 bucks for it. I think I held the position for about a week. Not a bad move, and it was good to have the capital. So since I had the capital, I decided to go ahead and open up 50 shares of T-Flow. And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to have cash on the side just in case things get messy. I need some extra capital. That's the kind of thing that I'm seeing now, is that it's good to have some cash on hand. This is an extremely low risk and it collects a decent dividend. Just a good place to keep your cash if you need it. So I'm going to be collecting positions there as I get profits. Just a stable place to keep my money. Then my last trade, my last move here was the Tesla roll. So I took my $175 put spread and I bought back the position at 21 days and I rolled it into 43 days. So that's just a regular roll, and I collected 66 bucks in the process. So even though Tesla is going against me, the price is down below my puts, I'm still able to collect money as I roll it out in time. So like you see here, 66 bucks is now in my pocket, bringing that break even down just a little bit further. So that way, when the price actually does come back up past my puts, it's that much closer to my 50% profit target. Let's go into Tesla chart here. We can see a double bottom forming here. It wanted to touch close to $160 and then it pushed right back up. And actually it pushed even higher. It was looking really good. It pulled back. And the reason why, I believe, is because there was some rumor going around that the Model 2 was canceled or whatever. So it had some bad news. As soon as the market closed here, we had a breakout and the stock price went from $165 where it closed all the way up to a high of $173, and it started trailing back after that. But we can see a very strong push in the price at the end of the week. So we're seeing a positive push up here despite the news, despite the rumor. The market is liking what it's seeing in Tesla, and it's good to see that push at the end of the day, especially when the S&P 500 is up. It's good to see Tesla is responding in the same way, even if it is delayed. So what I'm hoping for is that we'll see the same price level on Monday, and we'll see some strength going in to the rest of the week. All right, so with copper here, we can see that it pushed down to the ADMA, and now it's coming back up. It's still holding these levels here, which is fine. The main thing that I want to see out of copper here is that the IV rank continues to go down, which I opened the position at around 100 IVR. Now we're down to 91.6. And after seeing this cycle around, I've seen it go down to low 70s, even in the high 60s. So I've got that going for me. I know that now about copper, and I want to take that and use it to my advantage. What I'm wanting to see out of copper right now is for the price to stay in this range, and then for the IV rank to go down. The quicker that happens, the quicker I can collect my money. So we had good jobs data come out this morning before the market opened, and it responded well. So jobs were strong. We saw a push up in strength. It broke past the 21 EMA, broke past the 8 EMA, and then it pulled back, and we can see that it rested just above that 8 EMA. Let's take a look so you can see it for yourself here. We have the yellow font, that's 5203.30, and then we can see the close is 5204. So we were just like $1 over that line, and that's a good sign. That means that we're back on track. We're above the moving averages here, and that is a good sign. We want to see that. We're seeing that strength getting put back up above the 21 EMA especially, and going back up to the 8 EMA. We're seeing strength out of this market right now, which is a good thing to see. So today was pretty wild. Tesla was up and down, and the market had responded great with the jobs report. And so really great things to see. A great way to end the week on nothing but red days this week. And I'll have my weekly update tomorrow, and we'll see how I did on the week, what I think next week is going to look like, what my plans are. So I'm a new options trader. My goal is to get a 50% return by the end of this year. If you're interested in following me on that journey, and maybe you want to learn something from me, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if this video was a help to you, and we'll see you on the next video.